Hi gorgeous people, how's everyone doing? It's Agi here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be restocking my fridge, so I'm taking you guys along with me and I'm gonna show you my plug of where I normally get my items. So you guys, you better stay tuned and watch this video to the end and see what we normally ended up doing. So come along with us, guys. Meanwhile, this is me. This is how I'm looking. Gorgeous, right? Cute. Come.
Starting the show this afternoon with only two words I use to describe this artist: fierce and fabulous. It's Anastasia.
Take.
Oh yeah. Video.
Okay, let's go.
Let's come go. It's no eaten. Which one you like, shrimp?
Shrimps, big, salty water. No.
It's medium size.
Is that salty or
Yeah.
that one?
Sit
Which-
down, Papa. That one is big, little bit big.
This one?
It's medium size. It's medium size. Which one you like?
How much is this a kilo?
45. For your sister, 40.
To be seen by my fellow sisters in YouTube, and they're going to come here. I'm going to tag your shop.
4 kilo?
Yes, 4 kilo.
Daya बीमारी का पोतरा
Take this one. Why you want to your sister?
What do you want, sister? Calamar?
No, today I don't want calamar.
This for baby.
Yeah, this is for you put for baby.
For baby.
Very nice.
What do you want, sister?
Here down. Oh, put it here. Here.
Indini. Now we better big one.
What do you want, sister? Crab?
Hi, it will scare you. Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
Kabuju? Unataka ukae wazi?
Funge.
Sio ndo wanamfunguaga.
Hapa tumeingilia
Ah.
funge.
Hi, how are you? Long time. No, I found it, but found the other guy. Now I want.
Actually, بكم آخر ملعبهم؟ شو ما تقدر؟ أنا باخذ 20 21. شو ليش 24
Okay.
Go country?
Huh?
Before you go country?
No. I give birth. Small.
बीस का कीमा एक किलो तो छोटे पैकेट होना सर
Three kilo beef, small bone.
Okay.
मैंने ये 3 किलो ऊपर medium cut,
Medium cut, yeah.
medium cut का 10 किलो. बिना एक बाइक कोच भूल गया इधर सस्ती.
You have lamb chops today?
Lamb chop no.
Finish. Okay. Can I get rib?
Deep rib, lamb ribs.
But does my goat have some ribs?
No, this it's cutting okay.
They are cutting? No, they can for grilling.
But ribs pan hindi है madam दी. Cutting finish.
They cut. Okay.
ये ले लो ये कीमा
2 किलो कीमा.
तेरी भी ना
हाँ 2 किलो कीमा.
all lollipop भी ना from them
Tell my people hi.
hi bye bye bye
Want me a jumbo? Jumbo.
yampo okay
Good.
Which name you channel YouTube? Which name?
It's I can write it for you.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Yeah.
Check.
Very nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, hi. Okay.
Plain right?
No, no problem.
Okay.
And 3 kilo beef and 2 kilo mince. Finish, no?
Finish.
474.
All right.
Black.
ਉਹ ਵੀ ਦੇਣਾ ਲਿਆ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਦੇਣਾ ਬਾਰੇ ਸਮਝ ਲਓ
ਆ ਲਿਆ ਕੇ ਤਾਂ ਥਲੇ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੀ ਕੌਣ ਫੜਾ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੀ ਕੌਣ
ਗੱਲ ਆਮੋ
ਕੀਮਾ ਕਿਤਨਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਕੁਛ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੱਖਣਾ 1 किलो हड्डी वाला ना लेगा नहीं मेरे आहो बनाओ 1 किलो हड्डी वाला ऊपर स्लाइस रखो कितना वजन 2 किलो 300 बस स्लाइस बना दे ये मेरा 1 किलो भाई को कीमा भी देना आगे कीमा आप प्रयास करो
Okay.
Thank you.
we go
Yo.
yes जी
I wanted to go up to the chop ride. The manga enjoy maisha tu hapa.